Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fade in and fade out a video in CapCut. This simple effect can make your videos look more professional and polished. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Okay, so the first step you have to do is to open up the CapCut app on your phone. Okay, so once your video is loaded into the timeline, let's start with the fade in effect. Tap on the video clip in the timeline to select it. With the video clip selected, tap on the animation button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, so now you have to scroll a little and find fade in effect. Tap on it. Okay, so now you can adjust the duration of the fade in effect by dragging the slider. For a smooth fade, a duration of 1 to 2 seconds works well. Once you are happy with the settings, tap the check mark to apply the effect. Now let's add the fade out effect. Tap on the video clip again to select it. And then tap on the animation button. This time tap on the out option. Now you have to scroll down a little and you will find the fade out effect. Tap on it. Okay, so now you have to adjust the duration of the fade out effect as desired. And then tap the check mark to apply it. Okay, so now we will preview the video. And that's it. You have successfully added fade in and fade out effects to your video in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.